Hi, it's HowToReset, and today I'll show you how to manage notifications on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first go into the settings. From settings, open notification, and we have the app notification. You can disable or enable notification for every app. Then we have essential notifications that we need to grant the permission to, so tap to allow, use notification history, and you can filter the missed calls or alerts from all contacts in all apps mentioning keywords. So here, when you enable it, only the essential notifications would pop up. Then you have the notification history, and you see the history of all the notifications. I don't have any. Then we have the notification cooldown. When you receive many notifications within a short time, your device will lower its volume and minimize alerts for up to 1 minute. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.